Lighting is the most popular addition to canopy systems. MASA Architectural Canopies is the expert in lighting integration. Usually, designers call out lights to be used in conjunction with MASA ExtraDeck series canopies. Designers can call the specification or use the MASA lighting spec. When problems arise, the issue, in most cases, is that the bidding estimator accounts for the lights and adds the scope to the electrician's list. This is an inaccurate callout by the estimator, since all lights require certain adaptations to be done to the canopies in the production phase, known as light dams. Light dams are only provided by MASA and, at times, the lights as well. Light dams are watertight, NEMA-like enclosures welded through the deck and prevent the inadvertent puncture of the water plane. The solution? A proper callout. For example, it could be written, MASA to provide light dam to accommodate specified light fixture. C specified light fixture. Standard light fixture to be provided by MASA. Non-standard or custom light fixture to be provided by the site electrician and sample provided to MASA for production fit and construction of light dam. Ask to see the MASA 3-part specification for ExtraDeck series canopies. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.